Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to setting camera on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Looking up to your Instagram story game, camera tools are a good place to start. If you don't want what camera tools are, or if you are looking to change the position of camera tools, you've come to the right place. So, Instagram camera tool are the toolbar option that pop up when you go to post an Instagram story. The toolbar is made up of different functions that can help you post different types of Instagram stories. Includes the create mode, boomerang, layout, hands-free, multi-capture, and level. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can slide the screen like this. Slide screen to the right like this. So here's the tools on this Instagram camera. You can see like create, where you can create, write something on this like this. There's so many feature in here. Or you can choose boomerang, or you can choose layout or hands-free. You can also choose filter or effect on your camera. Or you can tap on the upper right corner here to see the tools, the camera settings. You can control always start on front camera or not whenever you open the camera. If you want to start always from front camera, you can activate the toggle here. You can also choose camera tools. Choose which side of the screen you want the camera toolbar to be on. If you want to be on left hand side, you can choose the left hand side, or if you want to choose the right hand side, you can choose on right hand side. You can also allow access to Instagram such as stories and posts, and prepare ready-made reels from your photos and videos on your device camera roll using data such as image quality, location, and the presence of people or animals. So that is how to setting camera on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!